Hello, I'm Angelo, and these two are Mattia and Emma. On today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to fake the 3D effect with 2D animations on After Effects. In this composition, there's an illustration I made using shape layers on After Effects. So, this is a triangle, which I called Mattia, and he is very happy to be sitting on this wall, and we're gonna animate him to look like he's turning around in a 3D effect. Given the fact that he's a triangle, we're gonna have to animate both these parts separately, so I created two triangles, which I named here Triangle 1, is the triangle on the side, and Triangle 2. I'm gonna make visible only one of the triangles, the frontal one, and now we can start animating. We're gonna search for the path panel here, and we can see the path panel pops up underneath our layer. We're gonna hit the stopwatch for a keyframe, and in the middle of our composition, we're going to select one corner and bring it to a more frontal view. So I'm gonna move this corner here, do the same with the other corner, and now you can see our triangle is facing forward. We're gonna go to the end of our composition, and we're gonna copy our first keyframe here. So Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to paste it. If we play that back, we can see that the triangle is moving now. And to make the animation more smooth, we're gonna select our keyframes and easy ease them. We're gonna go to our panel here and select the middle one and bring this toward. So if we play that back, we can see that it's a lot more smoother. We're gonna repeat the same process to the next triangle, and we're gonna try to match the perspective of the first triangle. So open Paths here, and set a keyframe at the beginning of the animation, and we're going to go on the middle of the composition, select this corner here, and move it to the end of the corner of the first triangle. Go to the end of the composition and copy the first keyframe. And go ahead and easy ease those keyframes to make it a lot smoother transition. So again, open the panel and push it in. To play that back, we're gonna see that our triangle is three-dimensional now. Now we're going to repeat the same process for all of our layers. If we do that right, you'll find yourself in the end with something that looks like this. And you can be a little more creative, maybe make a duplicate and some color grading to it. And here we have Mattia and Emma. Thank you guys for following, and make sure to check the other tutorials.